Hi everyone, just a quick news flash to tell you that I'll be taking part in the ARW Discussions number 29, which is titled European Sunday, and there'll be a number of YouTubers from Europe all having a chat about various machine related topics. The discussions are hosted by Harold at the ARW channel, which is formerly Amateur Redneck Workshop. I've watched many of them. They're very interesting, and it's always good to see many of the creators away from their workshop, and you get a bit of insight into the person, as well as quite a lot of people's polished videos. Okie dokie, so hopefully you can join us, and I'll see you on see you on Sunday 2100, so 9 o'clock at night, British summertime.